And new reporting tonight from the ABC 10 Investigative Firepower Money team. PG&E will start the new year with criminal court hearings. The judge supervising their punishment for the San Bruno gas pipeline explosion just called 2 hearings. Now, PG&E stands accused of 2 more probation violations after being charged with crimes for 2 wildfires blamed on the company. It comes with only weeks remaining of the company's sentence of probation. And investigative reporter Brandon Ritteman explains what today's development means.
We do know that the judge is looking to put these alleged violations of probation on PG&E's official record. We don't yet know what the judge intends to do about it, although survivors of several PG&E disasters have told us they want the judge to find a way to keep PG&E on probation longer.
I really feel they've shown little to no remorse.
Sue Bullis lost her son, her husband, and her mother-in-law to PG&E's San Bruno gas explosion. PG&E's crimes in that case were punishable by up to 30 years in prison. But since corporations can't go to prison, PG&E automatically got the maximum 5 years probation instead. The first rule of PG&E's probation is that it's not allowed to commit more crimes. But PG&E did. PG&E pleaded guilty to 84 felony counts of manslaughter last year and 1 more felony for sparking the deadliest wildfire in California history, the 2018 Camp Fire. PG&E is also accused of more crimes in 2 more wildfires since, including 4 felony counts of manslaughter for the 2020 Zog Fire in Shasta County. The fire victims include an 8-year-old girl and her mother who died trying to escape. Their family told me today no family should ever have to be in this nightmare. Family members of PG&E's Camp Fire victims agree, saying that letting PG&E off of probation would set a dangerous precedent.
We'll keep an eye on you, but there will be no consequences. It sets a precedent that they can save money at the expense of human lives.
As we've reported, it's unclear whether the judge can keep PG&E on probation longer. If he tries, he'll be in uncharted legal territory. The experts tell us if PG&E were a person, that by now it would be looking at a life or possibly death sentence. In PG&E's case, they're looking at either an extension of probation or getting off probation entirely. We won't know which until January.